Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode, we will be doing mini twists on my natural 4C hair without extensions, and I will have cornrows at the side of my hair. So this is what I do to my hair to keep it stretched out before braiding. I wash the previous day and leave them in large twists or large braids. With this method, I'm able to avoid applying heat to my hair. I prefer not to use any blow dryer or hot hair appliances on my natural hair. So let's head into business. I part a straight line at the back of my head, and that straight line I section into smaller boxes. I braid first before I twist. You're going to see all this clearly as the video proceeds, because I'm going to be giving you a very close view of how I did everything. I went on to section out the side that I'll have the cornrows on, because I wanted to put it away so it doesn't interfere with the rest of my hair. And I kid you not, the most difficult part of this hair, and I think for everyone that makes their own hair, is parting, getting the line straight and clean. I struggled, and I won't lie, most especially parting on camera. It's no joke at all. I went on to apply my homemade hair growth oil, massaged it into my scalp. So this process I did for the whole of my head. Another thing that helps me with parting my hair are my fingers. Like, I don't know about other people, but my fingers work like they are my third eyes. My fingers will tell me, oh, I don't think it's straight. Try it again this way. Maybe you should do this way. And on here, I'm applying pink oil to my hair. So I walk it down to the ends of my hair. Pink oil is actually very good for my hair. My hair loves it, and I always have it at home. Okay, here I'm showing you again how I braid first before twisting. I braid like I think five times before I proceed to twist. This is the procedure I use till I got to the front of my hair. When I got to the edges, I did something different. Just keep watching, you will see how I made my twist in front. At this point, I'm showing you how far we've gone, and I'm feeling proud that I've gone this far. So right here, I braided a little further, and then I stopped, then continued the next day. This clip is from the next day. By this time, it was 7 p.m. I started braiding by 7 p.m. up to 9:30 p.m. The previous day, I started braiding my hair from 7 p.m. and I stopped by 10 p.m. Yeah, so it took me altogether around 7 hours to make my hair. The edges of my hair, I do not braid first before I twist. I just twist from scratch, because it helps me not put too much tension on my edges, because I have very thin edges. So you will see me do this method again as I braid around my edges. And when I get to the end of my hair, I do not twist up to the end. When I'm getting close to the end, I just do a finger coil. Is it finger coil or finger twist? I do finger twist so I don't put too much tension on my ends. So this is me showing you again how I do it. Section your hair into two, then do the flip over, flip one side on top of the other as you go. Keep twisting until you get to the end. When I get to the end, I finger roll my hair, so that when I'm ready to take down my twist, I don't struggle. It will be easy to unravel. So this is me showing you how far I've come with the twist. You can see the hair is bouncing and I'm having a lot of joy. Beautiful. Let's go on with the work. So I keep on twisting. At some point I just decided to braid off camera because trying to film and twist was taking too much time and slowing me down. So time for the cornrows. Other videos I saw about mini twists, they did their mini twist simple without adding any extra, but I wanted to do too much. So this is me doing my cornrows. I made this slow so you can see how I do it. And please pardon the frame, I didn't really realize that my phone was turned upside down or something, I don't know. So it didn't give the full screen. Yeah, but I zoomed in so you can see. After braiding, I get to the end of the braid of the cornrow and then I twist. This is what I did throughout. At this point I didn't really know the pattern of cornrows I wanted, so I was just parting according to the way the spirit led. It came out nice and I was glad. Keep watching. Don't mind my face. At this point, I was begging my kids not to tamper with the mirror because they were playing in between my mirror and I could not see properly. That's why the face, the frowning. At this point, I just wish I could speed up the process and be done. All I could see is the finished result. And by the way, guys, at the point of posting this video, my hair was already a month and 3 weeks old. I just could not edit on time, so I would attach a picture of what my hair looked like at the moment to this video, so you see how well my twist lasted. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. Give it up for me. See here now, like I came, I saw, and I conquered. Yeah, give it a round of applause. Appreciate me, appreciate the work. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for the claps. Thank you. Look at the way my hair is bouncing. See that smile, like look, a beauty and more. I was so glad I could make this hair. So yes, fine girl, imose bose. So this is the picture of what my hair looks like after a month and a half. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.